Hi guys, today I'll show you on how to add your own music to TikTok using BeeCut. First, download and install the software on your computer. After the installation, launch the program and select aspect ratio. Next, upload the video and song you want to use by clicking the import button, then import file. Once added, simply click the plus icon on the video to add it on the video track. Then, do the same thing on the music to add it on the music track. You can adjust the speed and volume of the music and fade in and fade out. If you want to customize your TikTok video, you can add text, filters, overlays, transitions, and elements. Also, you can edit, split, delete, crop, zoom, add mosaic, freeze frame, and set the duration of the video. When you are finished, hit the export button to save the video on your computer.
O Bes, balita ko, break na daw kayo ng boyfriend mo ah.
Oo nga, bes eh, hi.
O ano naman naging dahilan?
Eh kasi mag-a-astronaut ata siya.
Ha? Paano mo naman nalaman, Bes?
Eh kasi sabi niya, I need space.
And that is how you can add your own music to TikTok. Thanks for watching!